And maybe, no. Honorable Chair, you need to explain the consequence of the oath.
The clerk will explain because he is administering the oath. It is his duty. And of course, to avoid ambiguity, I'm amending the ruling that all commissioners be put on oath.
Who's the chairperson is here?
Please speed up that process. We finished that. Yes.
I, Shefa Rukwago, affirm that the evidence I shall give touching the matter before this committee shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God.
Omara Apita Lamex, swear. I, Omara Apita Lamex, swear by the Almighty God that the evidence I shall give touching the matter before this committee shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God.
I, Smeo Mwanga Suga, swear by the Almighty God that the evidence I shall give touching the matter before this committee shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God.
I, Stephen Basaliza, swear by the Almighty God that the evidence I shall give touching the matter before the committee shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God.
I, Atuhaire Jacqueline Rwabkurukuru, swear by the Almighty God that the evidence I shall give touching the matter before this committee shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God.
I, Crispin Kaheru, swear by the Almighty God that the evidence I shall give touching the matter before this committee shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God.
Thank you. To the witnesses or visitors, you are also free to use the other table behind. And finally, Yes. Yes. Now, let me clear this out of the way. Just 1 minute per commissioner, then I open up from this side to that side. Now, commissioners on 27th July 2026, while appearing before Parker Kosase, matters concerning the Uganda Human Rights Commission, partly within the Auditor General's report, and also partly from the observations and publications within the media. In your specific reference to tribunals, which is minuted and well recorded by the committee, you attributed the failure for Uganda Human Rights Commission to convene tribunals and hear human rights cases on the chairperson of the commission, Ewan Mariam Wangadya. It is not at leisure that a witness submits one statement and changes the statement. We must interrogate the intention and purpose. Otherwise, we value every sitting of our committee, and we value every information we receive in our formal engagements. We are an accountability committee, but as well with all the powers of a committee of parliament. And as we sit, it is Parliament of Uganda sitting and transacting. It is not casual submission and deliberation. Now, I want to put you back on record to substantiate your submission of 27th July and today on why the the commission tribunals are not sitting, and where you may have falsely made a submission against the chairperson. You also clarify the intention. Otherwise, we still hold your submission on our record as part of your submission. Try to assist us understand as to whether there is a contradiction, or whether there is a change of mind, or whether you were actually just lying to the committee for your own reasons. I want to start with the... let them first be on record, then you engage. Yes? Okay. Commissioner Lukwago.